Hello all, welcome to the lecture on referencing style for research work on the aspects of citations and bibliography. Now, whenever you are doing your project or research work or thesis, you will be referring to a lot of material out there in the library and on web. In the purview of research ethics, it is important to give due credit to the researcher or the authors of whose work you are referring to. This is known as citations. Let us get to understand how to create citations or maybe bibliography, and then how Microsoft Word is helpful in creating the same. You have to first open Microsoft Word. By default, it will have Home tab open. You have to go to Reference. There is again a default style of referencing, that is APA, American Psychological Association. This is the most famous one. Another one is Harvard. You can go with the default this thing style. You go to the manage sources. You go to the new source. You will have a lot of options in drop down. Suppose you are referring to a book for your research work, and this book is, say, Operations and Supply Chain Management, 15th edition by Robert Jacobs and Richard Cheese. This has been published by McGraw-Hill Education. So we require certain few information. For ease purpose, I have mentioned it over here so that I can copy paste in my referencing sources in Microsoft Word. So the title is Operations and Supply Chain Management. Who are the authors? These two are the authors. This was published in the year 2018. City is in Florida, and the publisher is McGraw-Hill Education. You can explore this tab of Show All Bibliography field, and you can also mention the other important fields which you feel is important. Standard number, it shows ISBN, ISSN. This is the more authenticated information. Suppose you have referred to only few pages, 15 pages relevant to your theme, and say this is 15th edition, so I write over here 15. Okay, so this has added into a current list a new source. I will also show you, suppose you are referring to a journal article. This is the journal article. It is like a review on issues of this by these two authors. It is published in this, having this ISSN number. So let us put all this information wherever applicable. This is the title. I put it over here. These are the two authors. Paste it here. The journal name in which this article has been published. It is in the year of 2017. Pages 283 to 300. Again, you can have the other fields as well. Say this is June. You can see over here, this is in June 2017. So you can mention the name of the month, volume 7, issue 3. It is visible here, volume 7, issue 3. This is the page number. This is the standard number. So take this standard number from here and then see it shows either ISBN or ISSN number. So this is E version, and I go ahead with putting up OK. I would like to showcase one more thing, that is, you are referring to a website, then how to put up the citations. So let us see this. Suppose you are reading this blog, that is best ergonomical chairs for home workers. This entry was posted on so by Joe Thomas. So this is the person whom we are going to give credit to. So this is the author. The name of the web page is best ergonomical chairs for home workers. Name of the web page. The name of the website. Now, name of the website is this, Posturite. And this was June 3, 2020. And more importantly, the URL. You put up OK. And when you complete your research or report, you'll have to add on the bibliographic and the annexure part. Now whatever we have done as an input of the various sources, I'll say this, that every sources that you refer shall be cited, shall be having details in your bibliography. So you go to bibliography, you click it, see, this were the two authors of whose journal article we have referred to, this were the two authors of whose book we have referred to, and this was the website blog that we have read through and got some hint on it. This is very important. Ensure this suffices two purposes. One is giving due credit to the researcher or the author of whose work you are referring to, and second important, the larger the bibliography, the more authentic research work of yours is. Thank you.